Prior to using your CAT and Genny, a visual inspection should be carried out to ensure there's no visible damage and the equipment is fit for purpose and it's inside its service due date. Now we have carried out the visual checks, we need to carry out battery checks on both CAT and Genny. Place the Genny on the ground, press the on button. If there is no sound or the battery warning light flashes, replace the batteries in a gas-free atmosphere. To check the batteries for the CAT, switch the CAT on by squeezing the trigger, checking for an initial chirp. A low tone indicates low batteries. If there is no sound, replace the batteries in a gas-free location. You also need to check the service due date via the CAT display. To do this, squeeze the trigger, the screen will illuminate, press the depth button and hold. The screen will display the day, month and year when the service is due. However, within 31 days of the service due date, the word CAL will flash on the display and the number of days left before the service due date. The function check should be carried out before use. Make sure the Genny is not placed over any utilities when carrying out the function check. Set the CAT to Genny mode at maximum sensitivity.